Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, May the 4th, 2022. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary, the medium, and the killer Sudoku. And in this newspaper, there is also an additional with extra puzzles. I believe there are six extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, but first we will solve these three puzzles. By the way, today daily news war day number 70. Wow, 70 days in war. Alright, the first one I will solve is a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number, I believe this will be number 4499. Yeah, 4499. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Then double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. 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 Double O, here one and then one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an one. Then. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. If I place number 5, wait. Well, need to wait. Wait first. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, the fifth O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 5 O's we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are ones. 5 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Then between two ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So this should be a 1. Then we have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Between two ones comes an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So those two boxes should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then same story for here. We have a 1 and an O there, and between there are two empty boxes between, so an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 4 ones. I cannot place the fifth one here. Otherwise, we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright, now we have a double O here. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we still have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay, between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, finish in 8 minutes. All right, great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. A medium Sudoku it will be. Until then, bye bye for now.